How to fix Roblox crashing. So in order for us to fix this, we're just going to locate the Roblox player right here, and then I'm going to right click it and then open the properties. Now here in the properties, I want you to go ahead and click the compatibility, and then we're going to go ahead and run this in compatibility mode. So make sure that it is Windows 7. There you go. And then we're just going to go ahead and turn on these two in here. After doing so, I want you to go ahead and apply this one. And then you also have here the compatibility troubleshooter. So I want you to go ahead and run this one as well. So you should be seeing this kind of window in here pop up. So what you're going to do is just basically try this out. So here it says that this is where it is located. So you can just go ahead and click yes. What is the problem that you're having? Say for example, if you don't see it in here, go ahead and click none of the above. And then you are going to see something else. So this one, do you want us to apply recommended compatibility settings for you? Just go ahead and click the yes button. And then I want you to go ahead and try your application. So if that solves your issue, just go ahead and click yes. Otherwise, just go ahead and click no. So when you are going to click no, Windows is going to offer you more solution in order to fix this problem. So hopefully when you do that one, you should be able to fix this one. So yep, that is basically how you're going to fix this problem. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.